Welcome to Brainy Toon Junction. Let's dive into today's exciting lesson.
Hello. My name is Emma. Welcome to our exciting adventure at Brainy Toon Junction. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ocean and meet some amazing sea creatures. From colorful clownfish to giant whales, there's so much to discover. Are you ready? Let's jump in and explore together. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange and live in sea anemones. They are small and like to swim in groups. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have big flippers that help them swim. They can hold their breath underwater for a long time. Dolphin. Dolphins are friendly and love to jump out of the water. They make funny sounds to talk to each other. Shark. Sharks are big fish with sharp teeth. Some sharks, like the whale shark, are gentle and eat tiny sea creatures. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms that help them move. They can change color to hide from predators. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and squishy with long, trailing tentacles. They float in the water and can sting if touched. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can live on the ocean floor. If they lose an arm, they can grow a new one. Crab. Crabs have hard shells and 2 big pincers. They like to scuttle sideways along the beach. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish that swim upright. Male seahorses carry the babies in a special pouch. Manta ray. Manta rays are big and have wide wings that help them glide. They eat tiny plankton by filtering it from the water. Lobster. Lobsters have long bodies and big claws. They live in rocky places at the bottom of the ocean. Seal. Seals are playful and love to swim in cold water. They can hold their breath for a long time while diving. Walrus. Walruses have long tusks and whiskers. They like to rest on ice and are very big and heavy. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are huge and sing beautiful songs. They can jump high out of the water when they breach. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. They eat tiny shrimp called krill to stay healthy. Can you name a big animal that sings beautiful songs and jumps out of the water? Is it A clownfish? B, a humpback whale? Or C, a crab? The correct answer is B, a humpback whale. Great job! Let's continue on with the rest of our sea creature adventure. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up into a ball when scared. Some pufferfish are poisonous and should not be touched. Stingray. Stingrays are flat and swim close to the ocean floor. They have a tail with a stinger to protect themselves. Manatee. Manatees are gentle and eat sea grass. They are sometimes called sea cows because they are big and slow. Narwhal. Narwhals are special whales with a long, twisty tusk. They live in cold Arctic waters and are very shy. Sea lion. Sea lions are loud and bark like dogs. They love to play and can do tricks in the water. Angelfish. Angelfish are colorful and live in coral reefs. They are small and often swim in pairs. Swordfish? Swordfish have long, flat bills that look like swords. They are fast swimmers and can jump high out of the water. Barracuda. Barracudas are fierce-looking fish with sharp teeth. They are fast and like to chase their food. Flounder. Flounders are flat fish that can blend in with the sand. They have both eyes on one side of their body. Dungeness crab. Dungeness crabs are tasty and have a sweet flavor. They live in the Pacific Ocean and like to hide in the sand. Sea snail. Sea snails have soft bodies and live in shells. They move slowly and like to eat algae. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide heads that look like hammers. They are great at finding food in the ocean. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them. They can live both in the water and on land. Squid. Squid have 8 arms and can squirt ink to escape. They are fast swimmers and can change color. Coral. Coral is made of tiny animals called polyps. It forms beautiful reefs where many sea creatures live. Thank you for joining us on this fun adventure exploring sea creatures. We hope you had a great time learning about all the amazing animals in the ocean. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Brainy Toon Junction for more exciting videos. We hope to see you next time. Bye bye.